Hello friends, my name is Neelam Tarangi. Today's date is 31st December 2021 and today's video topic is a string buffer and string builder. In Java, the java.lag.string class implements the serializable, comparable and character sequence interfaces. The character sequence interfaces means it represents the sequence of the characters. The the string builder and the string buffer classes are used to implement the character sequence interface. That means in Java these classes are used to create the string used to create the string, that is a string buffer, string builder classes. Mm, let in the previous in the previous video we can see the string. In this video we can see the string buffer and string builder. um, uh, it the string buffer and string builders are same. There is only change is that the string is immutable and string buffer and string builder are mutable. It is used for mutable the string. It is used for a mutable the string or a modifiable the string. The string first the string builder, the string builder sorry string buffer. String buffer is same as that of the string. Only change is that it is modifiable or mutable. Mm, modifiable or mutable. um, Modifiable or mutable. It is available since JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. The string buffer is a the string buffer is the string buffer is um, um, thread safe. That means it access the thread safe. That means it acts thread safe. That means multiple threads can be accessed synchronized. That's why it is safe. The different constructors are used in a thread say sorry string buffer. First is a string buffer parasynthesis. Parasynthesis. First constructor is a string buffer parasynthesis, empty parasynthesis. uh, it creates an empty string buffer. Empty string buffer string buffer with the initial capacity is a 16. Second constructor is a string buffer, string SCR. This constructor this string, it creates the string buffer with the specified capacity. And the last one is a string buffer int capacity. It is a it creates an it creates an empty empty string empty string buffer with the specific with the specified capacity length, with the specified capacity length. And the different methods can be used. The different methods can be used in a string buffer. First one is a append method. Append method is a public or synchronized and the append method the append method can be work same as that of a concatenation method. It means it can be can be add the sequence of the characters. It can be append the char, it can be append the int value, it can be append the boolean, it can be append the float. Second one is a um, insert method. Third one is a replace method. It can be used to replace the specific character from start index to end index. Second one is a delete method. It can be used to delete the sequence of the characters from start index to end index. Next, reverse. It can be used to reverse the sequence of the character. Next is the capacity. The capacity the it is used to give the capacity of a sequencer. Capacity of the sequencer, the default capacity of the default capacity of a reverse string method is a 16. When we can increase the sequence of the characters, then it can be gives the 16 into 2 plus 2, that is old capacity multiply by 2 plus 2 sequence, and ensure capacity in a say in string buffer. It is the same as the string builder is the same as that of the string buffer. That only change is that it is access the multiple threads at a time. That is, it is synchronized, and it is available available since JDK 5.0. Its methods are also same as that of the string buffer. It is all about the string buffer and the string builder. Thank you.